This is the weekly tornado siren testing. Sorry I wasn't able to catch up the full windup. Dang, that's loud. You can probably hear all the 2001s in attack. This one's just sounding an alert. Hope that didn't blow up my iPod speaker. This is coming from the tornado siren in Deerfield Township, Cottel Park. For those of you who live in Deerfield Township and pass the park, they may know what I mean and see the siren at the corner. You can hear all the 2001s in the distance. Right now they're just all winding down. The test ended.